In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of creating your very own PayPal account. Whether you're looking to shop online, send money to friends, or receive payments, setting up a PayPal account is easy and quick. So let's get started. So first is go to the PayPal website. Just search here PayPal, and then just click on this first option. And after that, you have option to log in or sign up, but since you don't have a PayPal account, just go and click sign up. And after that, you'll be prompted to choose it between two types of PayPal accounts, whether personal accounts. This personal account uses account for shopping, sending money to family and friends, and receiving payments for small transactions. In business account, this is for business looking to receive payments for goods or services. So we can choose personal account or business if applicable, and just click next. So for now, I'm going to click personal. So just click get started. And after that, just enter your personal information, like for example, your email. After you put your email there, just click next. And then after that, you need to click on this I am a human. They will check the security challenge for that. And after you hit that, you need to put the number or your phone number. So just put here your phone number. After that, just click next. And then create a strong password. Choose a secure password for your account. So just put here your password that you want to use. Then click next. And after that, you need to put your personal information. Make sure this matches your official ID. So this means you need to provide your real name, your whole name, okay, your information. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to put my name and any information that needs. After I put my information, just click next. And then for the additional info, they required to collect this and always keep your info secure. So just put here your nationality of what country you're from, either United States, Portugal, Puerto Rico, like that, Qatar, and just put here the ID type. What kind of ID do you want to use? They have here a national ID, a passport, or a driver's license. Just click on whatever you want to use. So also put here the ID number. Put here the ID number of your passport or national ID or the driver's license that you want to use, and then put here your date of birth, and then just click next. So after you put your ID number, your date of birth, um, you'll ask to provide your address, or after you put your all information, you will be prompted to link a payment method such as credit or debit card. People can be linked to a credit card or debit card for easier payments, and also bank account. You can link a bank account to fund your PayPal transactions, and choose your PayPal method and follow the prompts to link it to your PayPal account. And you'll need to provide your card or bank details like bank account number or routing number, etc. So also the next step is agree to PayPal terms and conditions and read and review the PayPal user agreement and privacy policy. If you agree, click and create an account. So after that, we will be successfully created an account, and then you need to verify also your account. So you need to verify your email address. PayPal will send you a confirmation email. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your email and address. And also verify your phone number. That is optional but recommended. So people may ask for a phone number verification code. Just enter the code sent to your phone. And then you can also set up a two-factor authentication This is optional, but also it is recommended. For added security, PayPal will offer two-factor authentication, which is a good practice to protect your account. Just follow the on-screen instructions to set up two-factor authentication using your mobile device or your computer to start using your PayPal account. So once your account is verified, you can start using it to send and receive money, shop online securely, and add funds, link more payment methods, and manage your settings. So, final tips: keep your email and phone number updated to ensure you never miss any important notifications, and secure your account by enabling two-factor authentication. You can always add more payment methods later if needed. So to summarize, congratulations, you've successfully created your PayPal account. Now you're ready to send, receive, and manage payments securely online. So be sure to explore your account settings to customize your PayPal experience. And that's it for today. I hope this video helps you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.